One of the newest features we added to VacationCRM today is integration with Travefy. So I just want to make a quick video just to show everyone how that works and what you need to do to set that up. So starting with your dashboard here, once you get logged in, the first thing you need to do is enter your Travefy email address in your user setup. So I'm going to go to Settings and Manage Users, and I'll just do this on mine. And now you will see in your supplier info tab there's the Travefy email. So I'm going to enter mine in here and I'm going to click save. And then once it's saved, you're going to click authorize VacationCRM. This is authorizing Travefy to send your Travefy information into VacationCRM. So you click that, it will open a new tab. And then you're going to confirm authorization here. And once you've done that once, that's the only time you need to do this. From now on, it will be authorized with that email address. So now I've got that pulled up. Now going back into VacationCRM, make sure again that you save this. You are going to need to log out and then log back in for all the settings to take effect. Alright, so now that we logged in, I'm going to use my profile. And there's two different things you can do with this. For one, you can take trip information that you already have in VacationCRM and you can send it to Travefy to get a trip started in Travefy. Or if it's already built in Travefy, you can pull it in much like you would with one of the other suppliers into your client's reservation. So I will send something to Travefy. So I'm just going to use this trip that I've created right here. I'm going to go into the trip and then I'm going to go into the actual reservation where I have everything built. And you're going to see two new buttons now. You're going to see Update Reservation from Travefy or Create Trip in Travefy. And then you're also going to see this Travefy booking number here. So to send the information to Travefy, you're simply just going to click Create Trip in Travefy. And that is all you need to do in VacationCRM. It'll pop up with a little message that is processing, and then once it's done, if we go to Travefy and we refresh this trips page, you are now going to see a new trip created, which I can click on and I can edit, and then you can do whatever you want in Travefy to, rearrange everything, clean it up, things like that. You can drag to move things. So that's how you put stuff into Travefy from VacationCRM. Now let's go back to this client and let's pull something from Travefy into VacationCRM. So I'm just going to start with a new trip. And we'll just say it's deposited. And I'm not going to go through everything in here just for time saving. I'm going to add a new reservation. And we'll select package. And we'll select GoGo. And before I do anything else, one other thing you need to make sure of is in Travefy, if I take this trip that I've created here, it's going to show the platform. So you're going to need to select VacationCRM right here to allow it to be accessed by VacationCRM, which I've already done. And I can put in my booking number. And then you can click search, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you a list of trips that you have in Travefy in your Travefy account that you've tagged as VacationCRM to be the platform for it. So I want to pull in the Secrets Maroma one, so I'm going to select that. It puts in the Travefy booking number, and then I'm going to click Update Reservation from Travefy. And it was successful. So now if we scroll down to our components, you can see it has pulled in the flight details, the transfer, the hotel, much like it would with any of the other suppliers that we integrate with. Again, once it's in here, you can add things to it, the hotel chain, pricing, anything else you want. But if you've taken the time to build it in Travefy, this is a big time saver, so you don't have to build it again in VacationCRM. So give it a try. If you have any questions, email us help@vacationcrm.com, and we'd be glad to help you out.